everyone, this is Kim Rakib. Today I'm gonna make unboxing video of MI trolley bags. Okay, no more talk about it, just let's begin this unboxing video. Okay, I'm gonna use the weapon, the big weapon to cut it out. Okay, give me this is the knife. I'm gonna use it to cut it out. Okay, let's begin it. Where should I start it from? This is MI, you can see the brand here. Not only it's about any electronics gadgets, these also are for in trolley bags there. This cut it already. So properly sealed here. Throw it away, man. Don't need that. Oh, it's pretty cool seal here. I think we don't need this knife. Oh no, it's really awesome. Okay. What with the password? Here. Just pressed. Okay, it's unlocked. And I'm gonna see what inside it. Oh, this is really awesome inside it. This is behind this one in pocket. What is it? I think this is user manual, and here must be the warranty card or something like that. One more pocket inside it, I think. This is skeleton. Okay. This was a small video of this unboxing. It's a very funny video it was. So if you dislike this video, and hit the like button, and if you don't like it, please hit the dislike button. And thanks for watching my video, and welcome wait for next video.